Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're told that the cumulative frequency histogram shown shows the exam results of a class. We need to find how many students got more than 70 on the exam. If we can recall, a cumulative frequency histogram shows the frequency of each data point as the sum of the frequencies of all of the previous ones. So this very last point here, 100, has the total frequencies of the entire data set, meaning it has the total number of people in the class as its cumulative frequency. So we know that the total number of people is 35. To find how many people got more than 70, non-inclusive, means we have to find the distance from this 70 right here to the 100. This distance is the number of people that got over 70. To do that, we just take 20 from the 70, and we do 35 minus 20, and that equals 15. So we can say 15 people scored over 70. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.